Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Life. I know it's been a while since you've seen some videos from us. It's actually been a long while since you've seen some videos from us. But I've still been cooking on this thing for my family, just haven't been doing the videos. But tonight we're getting back at it. We're gonna start doing some videos, try to get you guys back involved in the channel again, and hopefully everybody enjoys it. Tonight we're gonna do a tailgating football special where we're gonna do some tailgating items right here on the Blackstone Griddle. So come check us out. All right, so we're gonna talk about our tailgating items that we're gonna make. We're gonna make some bison burgers. They're gonna be bison sliders because we got the slider buns right here. We also are gonna do some bratwurst that we got from Costco today. And we're gonna do some crowns on the griddle with a little bit of cheddar cheese on top of it. All right, so let's get started with mixing up this bison and adding, I've got some pepper, some garlic powder, salt and breadcrumbs and a couple eggs that we're gonna mix it up and get it going. Add some pepper to it, some salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. Let me go ahead and mix this around. Just so you guys know, I did wash my hands before this. I don't want anybody freaking out thinking that I'm not clean here. Flatten it out a little bit. Now I'm going to put some breadcrumbs in. And 2 eggs. Doesn't that sound juicy? Alright, let's see if we can start getting these little slider balls made up here. What do you think? Think that'll be about right? Looks like it. Maybe peel a little bit more off of here. We're not making smash burgers with these, so that's why I'm not turning them into an actual like 3 to 4 ounce ball like you would do with a slider. But I'm just trying to flatten them out a little bit, just so that way when we get them on there, they'll cook evenly. right, last one here, and then we're gonna go out and get these things on the griddle. First, we're gonna start off with the crowns because they're gonna take the longest to cook, so we gotta get those cooking first, and then we'll get these sliders on there, the bratwurst. Probably the bratwurst before the sliders because I'm sure that these sliders will cook quick. All right, everyone, there you have it. We got about 10 bison sliders. Let's go out and put them on the griddle and get started. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get these crowns on here, get them started. It's gonna take a little while for them to cook, and then we'll get everything else going. If I can get it open here. Hear that sizzle. Thing I like about cooking crowns on the griddle over the tater tots is they lay flat, and because they lay flat, they cook a lot quicker and a lot easier. With the tater tots, you got to constantly be rolling them and flipping them over and things like that, but these cook a lot better. They're all pretty much flat. All right, we'll let those cook a little bit and we'll get some other stuff on here. All right, while these crowns are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add the bratwurst and get them going. This is the first time I've ever had these bratwurst from Costco, so I'll have to let you guys know how they are. Let's go ahead and see how we're doing on these crowns. Runaway crown there. I like using the bigger spatula with these crowns because it helps, you know, get more up, and eventually you just got to go back around and try to flip them. Sometimes I just go ahead and grab my my tongs and just flip them that way. You got to cook them evenly. A little bit of a tedious job, but when they cook good and the family likes them, we're good to go. I know you guys can't smell it, but these crowns are smelling really good. Just so you guys know, I'm cooking the crowns on the high heat. I got high heat going over here on the brats. All right, we're moving right along. All right, let's give these brats a flip here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, those things smell good. I am looking forward to trying these Costco brand bratwurst. Wow, look at that. These crowns are looking good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and slide these crowns over, get them off to the side a little bit. Make sure I still keep them flat. And we're gonna be ready to get these burgers on soon. Good old Bison Sliders coming up. All right guys, when I do my burgers, whether I do hamburgers, smash burgers, whatever, I like to put a little bit of butter down. I feel that it gives it a lot more flavor. So I'm gonna put this butter down on the griddle, melt it down, and then I'm gonna add the bison burgers to it. I just love the flavor that it gives to the burgers. If you've never tried it, give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. But I truly think it's better than just putting down some oil or some canola oil or something like that. You know, it just gives it another little bit of flavor. All right, let's get these burgers on here. And I'm also going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. That's another one of our favorites here in our family. All right, there we go. We're cooking. Go ahead and give these brats another flip. All right, let's go ahead and flip these Bison Sliders. All right, that's what you need. You need a good crust on them so they don't fall apart, because the bison is very lean and it will fall apart if you don't get a good crust on it. All right, let's go ahead and add our cheddar cheese to our crowns. I'm gonna let that heat up there a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get these, I'm going to get the Bison Sliders off. Look at those sliders, guys. Those things look really good. You might think they're a little charred, but that's the nice crust on there. Get these German brats off. I don't want to drop that on the floor. All right. These the crowns are letting that cheese melt. I'm gonna go carry this into the house. for everybody, and then I'll come back out and get the crowns. Look at that. That's some tailgating food right there. All right, Dad Life family, here it is. Our tailgating special. We got the German brats, we got the bison burger, and we got the crowns with some melted cheddar cheese on it. We put a little tomato and a pickle on here, and let's go ahead and give it a try. I gotta smash this thing down. This thing is huge. Look at this. Look at that. I don't even know. I got a big mouth. I know my wife says I got a big mouth, but I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Mmm. Cooked good. That is amazing. All right, let's try this brat. I don't even know. Let's go from this end. Wow, those Costco brats are really good. Everyone, I appreciate you tuning in to Dad Life. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And again, the channel's back. Let's keep it going. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.